Good morning. This is your weather forecaster, future weather forecaster, Brother Marcus Francis, back with the weather forecast. So take a look at your weather forecast. Specifically for Knoxville, Tennessee, it's currently 67 degrees and clear. Today, we would expect highs in the lower 90s, around 90 degrees, and lows in the mid 60s to around 65 degrees. So the day is expected to be partly cloudy conditions expected at around 3 p.m. Then look at your 10-day forecast. Today is expected to be sunny, clear with abundant sunshine, low 66, high 90. As waves of high pressure moves into the area, providing above average weather conditions with above average temperatures. For Tuesday, is expected to be under cloud conditions, low 65, high 89. Then for your Wednesday, expect rain chance to play back into the weather forecast as supposed to be under cloud conditions and 60% chance of precipitation of widespread rainfall, low 66, high 87. Then for your Thursday, expected to be under cloud conditions, 60% chance of precipitation for widespread rainfall, low 66, high 81. Then for your Friday, expected to be under cloud conditions with a 70% chance of widespread rainfall, low 66, high 82. Then for your Saturday, there's to be a 70% chance of widespread rainfall on under cloud conditions, low 66, high 78. Then for your Sunday, there's to be a 50% chance of scattered to spotty and widespread rainfall under cloud conditions, low 66, high 82. Then for your Tuesday, Monday of next week, expected to be a 30% chance of isolated rain showers and cloud conditions, low 66, low 67, high 85. Then for your Tuesday expected to be a 40% chance of spotty scattered showers and thunderstorms under cloud conditions, low 68, high 84. Now throughout this period of rainfall, we'd expect 1 to 2 inches of rain likely localized in the area. Then for your Wednesday, expected to be under cloud conditions, low 68, and highs to be in the lower 90s to around 91 degrees as a strong ridge of high pressure moves into the area. And this rain will leave some drought conditions in the area. So if you're spending the time outside, we encourage you to play it smart and continue to use the let's say breaks outside